Hello everyone, it's Hyejin here. I hope you're fine wherever you are. And today I tried to transform myself into an Instagram bad girl. You know, those girls with tattoos, black clothes, very intimidating. If you know me, well, you know that I'm not that kind of girl. So I tried this challenge. It was fun. So yeah, I'm starting off with a primer to, prime my skin, make it look really healthy because those girls have a really healthy skin. And then I try to conceal my blemishes because I'm breaking out a lot these days. Maybe it's due to stress. I don't know. But yeah, here it is. Then if you're not new to my channel, you know this cushion foundation is from Clio. It's the glow cushion. I think it's really good because it has a really healthy glow. It matches my skin, so yeah, perfect. I love it. Then I'm setting my eyes and my T-zone because I don't want them to be oily, but I want to keep the shine on my cheeks, so I'm not powdering them. Then here it comes, the protagonist of this video, the Peripera palette in number 03 brown filter, which honestly was so hard to open. Like, watch me struggle here. It was so hard, but yeah, I managed. I tried to create a shade at the end of my eye to make it look slightly bigger, even though I already have big eyes. So yeah, I know what I did here. I'm sorry. It looks awful on camera, but trust me when I say that in real life looked very good. So yeah. Then I'm putting glitters. Yes, glitters. I love glitters on the center of my lid to, give that pop of color, and also at the bottom of my eyes and in the corner to make them. And then I'm drawing with an eyeliner pencil, just a very thin line at the end of my eyes. I don't like thick eyeliner, so I'm more on the natural side. And here they come, fake lashes. Actually, a lot of bad girls that I saw on Instagram have a really long lashes, so I said to myself, okay, let's try this. But honestly, they were so uncomfortable. I hate this and I hate that thing. I really don't like it. But yeah, then the blush, which is my love. I love blushes, just can't live without them. So I am applying this Tracy Eep face blush in nude peach or rose beige. Yeah, rose beige, love. Then this cloud lip tint in Beige Avenue, which is so good. It feels like a cloud on my lips. And of course, it's from YesStyle. You can find everything on this video on YesStyle, so yeah, make sure to check it out. Then this is a Fenty highlighter, which I really love. Again, nothing to say. And the protagonist of this video, number 2. These are the fake tattoos which I ordered from YesStyle. Actually, the majority of them is flower based, so yeah, I like flowers, so I ordered flowers. But they were just so good and they lasted me something like 5 days. I was so impressed with them. And they're also very easy to apply, with just zero effort. I was so nervous because when I was a kid, actually, these kind of tattoos always got burned on my skin. So yeah, I was so scared, but they turned out really good. And they look a lot realistic if you saw them in real life. My parents were scared when I first met them and I was covered with tattoos. So yeah, it also worked well as a joke. And here I basically just kept on tattooing myself. Yeah, nothing fancy. Keep tattooing, keep tattooing. And this is the final result. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up, comment, and share this video if you want. Subscribe to my channel because I will be posting more videos like this. I am just an average potato which likes, K-pop stuff. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. I really love you. Kisses.